Hello, St. Croix family. It's time for our weekly update. And this last weekend, when I was putting my thoughts together about this video update, I thought I would start out by explaining to you how we are preparing to respond to the inevitable fact that we would have a positive COVID-19 case here on campus. However, I spent the first part of the week actually putting that into practice. I'm grateful for the Department of Health and their guidance. I'm especially grateful for the administration team and how they helped carry all of this out, to the staff and faculty, but especially I'm grateful to the parents and students who are so cooperative and supportive. Thanks, and if you have any questions about how we handled this, please feel free to give me a call or send me an email. And so we'll begin with our video update. This update is for this week and next. This evening is our first football game where we can end. It's a home game. And so I've been encouraging the students to stay with the guidelines and the directions that we've given them for keeping us a healthy campus. And so I usually talk to them about why we do what we can do. And this is what I talk to them about. We follow the things that we have put in place because we can be back in school in person. The protocol that we follow helps us to be sensitive to the needs of those around us. We can show respect to our government by following the guidelines and directions of the Department of Health and the Department of Education. And we can be an example to those who are watching us. And so tonight I'm really going to encourage the students, if they cannot have 6-foot distancing, even though they're outside, they should be wearing the masks. We were supposed to have parent-teacher conferences. We had a great response from the families, but it put us in a situation where we would most likely be over the 250-person limit. So we're going to schedule a virtual parent-teacher meeting sometime near the end of October or early November. And we're also working on trying to provide more time than just the 5 minutes per family per teacher. Here are some of the upcoming activities. Today, the students are involved in a virtual Grandparents' Day. They'll have a chance to write postcards, and there will be videos for grandparents at stcroixlutheran.org/grandparents. As I spoke to you a little bit earlier here, we have a home football game tonight. It's limited attendance and it's by reservation only, and you've seen those in the weekly and daily announcements. We have a bowling match tomorrow. The Croixaliers are singing at St. John's in Hastings this coming Sunday. Our first home volleyball match is next Wednesday, October 14th, and we've heard that we might be able to have some people attend there. You'll hear more about that. There's no school on Thursday and Friday. The teachers will be here and we're going to do some professional development. And then there's a home football game next Friday, October 17th. Next weekend, on October 18th, there are open house tours in person for those families who are interested. This is for prospective families, so if you know of anybody who's interested in their children attending St. Croix, please spread the word. We're working on a virtual fall concert and an outdoors children's theater. The title is Stories Under the Big Top. Once again, thanks to all the parents and students who make St. Croix such a great place and a wonderful family. Have a great weekend. Keep Jesus with you.